Hello everybody, this is Jacob with Nexus, and welcome to 17 South Street, Unit 1, located in Pawtucket, Rhode Island. This is a ground floor unit, and it houses one bedroom and one bathroom. Now before I begin the walkthrough, I would like to remind everybody to please subscribe to the Nexus Property Management YouTube channel, where you will be able to view any listing that we have available on our site, as well as any news related to real estate and property management. Thank you very much. So we're going to begin the walkthrough in the recently renovated kitchen area. It's very nice in here. Looks like it was just redone not too long ago. This includes the nice fresh coat of paint that has just been aligning the walls, as well as a nice redone and repolished hardwood flooring, which looks fantastic. And as you can see over here, there's nice customized features over here, which includes the custom backsplash along the walls over here, as well as the nice new cabinets all around for lots of extra storage in this kitchen. And some of the features or appliances in this kitchen include the single bin stainless steel sink with the spray nozzle. There's also the 5-burner new gas stove with the oven and the exhaust fan up above, all stainless steel. And of course the large size refrigerator located to the right of that. Lots of room. Very nice. It's a much centralized kitchen. It leads to the bathroom and the bedroom. There is no living area in here, so keep that in mind. Another thing to keep in mind is the bedroom does not feature any outlets. The only outlets are in the kitchen area. It's another thing to keep in mind. And you'll also have access to the apartment through a nice private entryway located to the rear of the building. Very nice. Very private, of course, being in the rear. Awesome. I'm going to give you guys a good shot of the kitchen and how spacious it is. Should be able to find a dining set in here, no problem at all. Alright. Also notice that the apartment is housed with gas spaceport heat, which you'll notice in every room to keep the apartment nice and warm during the winter. Next up, we'll move on to the small bathroom. Once again, it is a small bathroom, but obviously houses the necessities needed. As you can see right there is the toilet. And the bathroom features a nice tile flooring, and the fresh paint is also noticeable in here as well. Looks like it was recently redone. And as you walk into the bathroom, you will be greeted by the Nexus welcoming package with all of your showering amenities included. And of course, as you can see over here is the nice wide sink set with cabinets underneath. Very nice. Alright. And right over here is the medicine cabinet with the mirror, which is always handy. And there is no full tub in this bedroom, unfortunately, but it does have the stand-up shower set. Very nice. Alright. Last but not least, we'll move on to the bedroom, which is located across the dining area. And once again, there are no outlets in the bedroom itself, but there are plenty of outlets in the dining area. So it should make up for the lack of them in here. It's a little bit of a smaller bedroom. Should be able to fit a twin-size bed in here, no problem at all, along with a couple pieces of furniture. Once again, the gas spaceport heat is present in here, as well as the fresh coat of paint. And of course, as you can see, the hardwood flooring is featured in the bedroom. Very nice. And the bedroom, of course, has its own closet space for some extra storage. Very nice. Alright. And once again, this is 17 South Street, Unit 1, basement level, located in Pawtucket, Rhode Island. And before I go, I'd like to remind everybody once again to please subscribe to the Nexus Property Management YouTube channel so you can keep up to date on all of our listings that we have available on our site, as well as any news related to real estate and property management. Thank you.